Hi, my name is Kerry Stewart, and I'm one of the product managers here at GNC Industries. And today, I'm excited to unveil one of our new products, the SOTA series hose reel. This hose reel is 100% corrosion resistant. It's made out of a high-grade polycarbonate, one of the polycarbonates used to make the fighter jets. And we've incorporated stainless steel into our hub, our drum, our reel guides, our fixtures, our swivel, making this 100% corrosion resistant. The next unique feature we've designed is a completely sealed control unit which eliminates the solenoid. This control unit has a power button, a rabbit for fast, and a turtle for slow with variable speeds. Also, we have a plug and use wiring system with a green for ground and a red for hot. It's also inline fused to protect your motor. Another element that makes this hose reel state of the art is our sleek new motor. It's the same design used in the power chair industry today. This design allows for us to place the motor where it's protected by the hose reel. This motor is driven by a belt, much like the belt on your timing chain and the timing belt in your car. It also has an engage, so when you're using it, it's engaged, and a disengage, so that you can freewheel and take your hose off. And finally, one of the last features of the SOTA hose reel is it can be shipped via domestic ground carrier. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, you can always call or visit GNCindustries.com for more information. When it's time to buy a new hose reel or replace your old one, keep the SOTA series state-of-the-art hose reel in mind.